guys, Artemis here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my geek room. Today we actually have the 2023 tin, Lunchbox tin I managed to get my hands on. So let me go ahead and flip this camera around so you guys can see what we're getting into today. Alright guys, we have the Collector's Chest 2023 that just came out. So let me go ahead and open this bad boy and see what we get in the tin. Alright guys, let's see. So we have a, looks like a however you say it, Miradon coin, purple coin too. We have the Sprigety. Come on. Want that to bend? I think I bent my card. The Fuecoco and the Quexla, all hollows. There's the code card for all three of them. Let's sleeve them up in a minute. Let's see what we got in here. We've got Scarlet and Violet, Silver Tempest, and another Silver Tempest. Got Paldega Evolved, and another Scarlet and Violet, which I'm going to put there. Open those. We'll open up the Silver Tempest first. Let's see what else we've got in here. Stickers, of course. All three of them. And then there's those two. Alrighty. And then we have the mini portfolio card. So let me go ahead and close this tin up and sleeve these hollows up. Alright, now that I have them three sleeved up, we can go ahead and start in on the Silver Tempest specs. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got Lightning Energy, Primordial Altar, Sunflora, Worker, Spinarak, Fennec, Phoebus, Jamiko, Fletchling, Reverse Toxicroak, and a Regidrago V. Go ahead and sleeve that up. Going to the next pack of Silver Tempest. There's the code card. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got Fighting Energy, Serena, Lopunny, Braxian, Venonat, Ponyta, Dew Spider, Meditite, Chinchou, Reverse Meltang, and a Hollow Rare Rapidash. Yep. Okay, let me go ahead and sleeve this up and we'll go into Paldega. Evolved. Okay, here is the code card. I'm gonna start doing the one to the front because it's the energy. So, Water Energy, Snover, Fletchling, Volturb, Level, Mismagus, Bramblest, Superior Energy Retrieval, Reverse Heracross, Reverse Magnemite, Hello Rare Surlage. And if I said it right, I'm sorry. Okay, we're going to do the next one. Code card. One to the front. Dark Energy. Bremlin. Shinx. Niamble. Mastiff. Toxicroak. Crocalor. Plepiler. Reverse Vigoroth. We have a Tropius Full Art Rare and a Tyranitar Hollow Rare. Let's sleeve those guys up and we'll get into Scarlet and Violet. Alright, let's go ahead and open up Scarlet and Violet and see what we've got in here. Base set. Code card. Do one from the back. Green Energy, or well, Leaf Energy, Clawtizer, Grivard, Mischief, there's Mastiff, Punard, Floatzel, Team Star Grunt, Lucario, Fabebe Reverse, Sizzler Reversed, and a Hollow Armorage Rare. And we have one last pack, so let's go ahead and get that last pack magic in. Last pack magic in the comments, guys. code card. Lightning Energy. Pokegear 3.0. Filete. Palmy. Smoliv. EXP Share. Stonjourner. Penny. Reversed. Charg-headed. Reverse Flu Coco. And a hollow rare Slowbro. Alright guys, that is it for this video today. Make sure you're subscribing to my channel, leaving a like on this video, commenting what your favorite Pokemon is in the comments. Also, make sure you're checking out my eBay store. It is Artemis _geek_room. I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye!